How to add a Telegram chat to Wix. In order to add a Telegram chat, we need to utilize this third-party tool called Elfside. Just head over and sign up for their account, and then for this part, just search in here for a widget. For this part, search in here for Telegram chat. You should be able to see it already right here. Head over and click on the dot widget and choose in here a template that you want to utilize. We have in here general, support, fail, as well as embed chat buttons as well. For this case, I'll just choose the general and click on the discontinue with this template. Just type in here your Telegram username or link for this part. So for example, let's type in here this Telegram username. Once you're done, head over and click onto this publish. And then choosing here the kind of plan that you want for this particular widget. Select in here the plan and copy the code provided. Head back to your site and click on this plus icon. And from in there, head over to the quick add option for this. Onto your quick add, scroll down to the very bottom until you can see this iframe. Attach it to any blank part of your site. And then from in there, click onto this enter code. Input right here the code that we have copied and click on update, and you should be able to see it here already, the Telegram chat button. So that's how you add Telegram chat to Wix. Hope we helped.